Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Achal's Art Gallery. So before starting today's video, I have a very important thing to share with you people. As we all are already trapped in our own house because of the situation we are facing right now, and we are trying to avoid and stop doing a number of things to have control on them. Still there are certain things which are not in our or in anybody's control, and one of them is our medical condition. So as I'm a physiotherapy student, I thought to share this news with you people. Right now, a very special offer is going on the best brand QFedo, which is offering different kind of physiotherapy equipments you might find helpful for yourself or any of your family member. And there are different physiotherapy equipments, and there are also combo equipments you can purchase on very reasonable rates. The offer lasts till the last stock. There is also a 2-month replacement warranty.
So remember guys, this offer is valid till last stock only, and invoice will be provided immediately after the payment, and also the transportation will charge extra as per your location, but it has a 2-month replacement guarantee, so you need not to worry about if you get any damaged product or if you're not satisfied with the equipment. You can totally have a replacement for it within 2 months. The rest of the details I'll be providing in the description box below.
I'm sorry for the long intro, but okay. So now today's DIY, I'm going to show you different methods by which you can make bookmarks. They are very easy, and I love making bookmarks. Whenever I study or read any book, I use them. And if you are also a book lover, you can do the same. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So for the first DIY, take a pink sheet and draw 7 cm squares, 3 squares like this, and then draw 2 diagonals on the outer squares. Now erase the outer lines. After that, cut out the remaining portion. And you will get a shape like this. Now fold the upper 2 triangles to make a pocket like structure like this. Glue them together properly, but leave some space in between. Now I have drawn the small eye using a black tape, and I have painted using a white color to make these 2 spots. And I made this tongue using a foam sheet of pink color, and also these 2 bunny ears using the same foam sheet, and it really looks very cute. Now for the second one, follow the same procedure, and I've simply painted these eyes. You can use foam sheet or simple chart paper, it's up to you. Now I'm using my old paper cuttings and sheet cuttings. I never throw them away, and I made this small cute flower using this remaining of the foam sheet. And now I'm going to stick it on the top, and it really looks very cute. Now for the second one, I am using a popsicle stick and acrylic color to paint it. And now I took a small chart paper. You can take it of any other color if you want, and I've bordered it using a color pencils, and I've written to be continued. Now I took another stick, and this time I'm not painting but simply wrapping it up with a colored chart paper. And I was done. Now I'm just going to stick it. You can see how easy this one was. Now as soon as it is dried, I'm going to simply paste this heart made on a glitter foam sheet. I'm obsessed with foam sheets. They are really very pretty. And done. Okay, so for this one I took a small cardboard. It was of black color and I'm simply painting with a white color, and it is a very simple, I can say, like, it's not a very difficult drawing, and you can draw any other thing if you want, but this is like the simplest one. Just be careful while painting and let it dry properly. Don't mess it up. So let it dry for some time, and after it is done, just punch in a small hole at the top like this and tie it up using any ribbon or lace or something. Now for my next DIY, I took another chart paper of white color and I simply written read more and sleepless. I'm totally going to use it during my exams. If you have seen my earlier school supplies video, you must have seen this bookmark over there. I'm just using different color threads in this one. And yeah, they all are done and it was super easy and I enjoyed making them. I hope you guys enjoyed too.
Enjoyed this video, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, you can join me on Instagram. Its link is given in my description box.